All right, to get on the Live Good leaderboard, you gotta sign people up. Okay. And right now, I think out of the 2 million people that have joined Live Good as members and affiliates, if you go to the leaderboard, on livegood.com, you can see, who's in the top 300. And that is the top 300 people that are signing people up directly underneath them. Okay, so if you're watching my video right now and you sign up, okay, the number is going to go up a notch, okay? So over the last 2 years, I've been able to sign up well over 400 people, okay? 100, 200, 300, 400. I'll have 500 by the time it's probably midsummer, maybe the end of summer, okay? And I'm really excited about that because how I sign people up, it's relatively free. I think it's easy. Okay, it requires just posting on social media now and then, and who doesn't? Okay, do you know how to email people? I'm sure you do. Okay, or if you want to do a video like this, buy a webcam and just set it up on your screen and talk. Or if you have one of these things, looks like a Pop-Tart, but it's a cell phone. I think you guys have one of these. You can talk into it and just invite people to click a link to a video that's already been made by the company. Okay, this is what I do. Okay, I hope that if you're watching this video, you are not going to reinvent the wheel. Okay, because the best part about Live Good is if you, well, number one, are an affiliate, but if you can duplicate people that sign up underneath you, teach them to do exactly what you're doing, how you got them to sign up. Just like if you're watching right now, I want you to do exactly what I do, because I think it's the easiest way to do Live Good as an affiliate. Now, if you're going to buy the products, awesome. Okay, the products are awesome. You can see I've got a handful over on my mini fridge off to the left of your screen, okay? That's how I became into the Live Good thing, all right, into the family. I was just buying the products, just retail, like going to livegood.com, buying Super Red, Super Greens, Amino Acid Punch, and some other things. And then I realized that if I spend $9.95, okay, $10 a month, I can get wholesale pricing. So by doing that, I was spending 10 a month to save about 40. Okay, then times that by 12, that adds up. Okay, I might look a little weird and crazy, but you know what? I got a little brain in this thing underneath this white hat. So why wouldn't I want to save 30 to 40 bucks by spending 10 or $9.95? Okay, you can get a nickel back on that $10 bill. Okay. All right, so let's rock, never stop, like a Def Leppard song. And I'm going to show you exactly what I do to sign people up every single day, every single week, every single year. I'm not going to change my technique or approach because it works. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, okay? So first of all, let me shrink up my screen here. Now, in the middle there, you can see I made a business card. Now, you don't have to, but if you're in person at a party, an event, a friend or family member asks you about Live Good, please don't explain it and sit there for a half hour to an hour, because they're going to think, you're going to have to do that with everyone else that signs up. Guys, I don't have time to sign up 400, 500 people by getting on the phone, doing conference calls, going over to people's homes, texting, Zoom calling. Okay. What I did is I bought joincory.com. Okay, I got this a while ago, and it was about like $11. All right, pretty cheap. I go to GoDaddy just because there's a live operator. They're alive. It's not AI. Okay, you just call GoDaddy, 24 hours a day. Even on holidays, they don't care. They're open. All right, and just say, hey, is this domain open? Now, since my name's Cory, I bought joincory.com. Also, join Cory now. Work with Cory. My name is Cory Draper, so I bought CoryDraper.com, joinCoryDraper.com. I bought like 4 or 5 domains with my name in it so that if I do use it for certain businesses, in this case, with Live Good, I just like join Cory. Hey, what do you want me to do? Well, I want you to join me, okay, by clicking that. So with GoDaddy, I don't have a website because when you join, there's already a website. You can't make it better. All right, if you want to make your own website to Live Good, okay. Open up your own Facebook chat or business page. I get it. But with me, I just go ahead and invite everybody to the Live Good website. Okay, so let me just show you. These Vistaprint business cards are like $20 for a big old box. They'll last you a year. I made them red. I shaved the corners. I think that was 25 cents. I bought joincory.com from GoDaddy. So I just went ahead and designed this on vistaprint.com. And within a week, these business cards, They were just, boom, sent right to me. Okay? So don't overdo your business card with too much information. Okay? If you can see, joincory.com kind of jumps off the card. I don't put anything on the back in case I want to put like a grocery list. Sometimes I use my card to kind of pick my teeth if I'm out eating or something, but don't go crazy on business cards. This is just like, hey, Cory, tell me about what you got going on. I saw a Facebook post. I'm just going to give you a business card and say, click that link, watch the video. It tells you everything you need to know. Okay? You have that video. It's yours. When you join, it's 5 minutes and 55 seconds, okay? And it is from Ben Glinsky, our CEO. This is the page. See in the middle there, you can put Cory Draper website. You can put whatever you want. If you have a business, or if your real name is, let's say, Bob Smith or Carol King or something, put whatever you want right there. I just put my name so people know that, yes, this is my page. Now, that video I was telling you about, this 5 minutes and 55 seconds, is right here. When you click it, Ben Glinsky, our CEO, he just tells you about the products, the opportunity, the pay plan, and everything. And then if you like what you see, people will put their name and email address. You, for example, put your name and email address in there. Click that little button right there that says reserve my position, and you'll get a nice email every single day for 30 days, one a day, automatically from LiveGood. Now, if you don't want them anymore, just go to the bottom and opt out on each email. It's super easy. Just opt out one time. You'll never hear from LiveGood again. But if you want to join, also open up your LiveGood email, and it's obvious. Just click the link, get yourself a username, a password, and do what I do. Okay? So I hope that you do get business cards that are cheap. I hope you do buy a domain name and have it forwarded to this exact page right here. Okay, I've signed up 400, almost 500 people with this exact page. I have not changed a darn thing, especially over the last 2 years, because the longer I do this LiveGood thing, the more simple I make it, the more successful I am. Okay, there's going to be systems and tricks and potions and software and everything else, but I still recommend just getting a business card, getting a domain name, getting on your Facebook page and maybe posting, hey guys, check this out. LiveGood, it's pretty cool. And then just have the link that goes to this page. If you send an email to a buddy or somebody, hey, check this opportunity out. You might like it. Don't make your emails more than 20 words. Just make sure that the link goes exactly to this page that you're looking at right now. And like I said, in my case, right there, joincory.com, okay? Now, when you go to LiveGood, you can see this is live right now. This is the LiveGood leaderboard. You can see I'm number 29 out of 2 million people. You can see I've signed up 416. I actually got 419 signed up. For some reason, 3 of the people that signed up, it didn't make this thing trip. So whatever. 419 people, that's awesome. I'm pretty proud of this because I really don't have experience with this online business thing. And all I do is just make a video like this or just invite people to click a link and watch a video. That's all I do. So anyway, go to the products page. And you want to see what the products are for real, because they're not embarrassing. They're awesome. They are cheap. You can buy wholesale if you spend $9.95 a month. The ingredients, how to use them, even the competition, how much, like Super Reds, Super Greens. These are the 2 products that got me in to the biz, Super Reds and Super Greens. Okay? But just go through each product. And if you like them, great. Buy them each month. But be a member. You want to save money. And if you want to resell these, go ahead. You can put them in your gym, back of your trunk, sell them out of your car, sell them on Amazon. Okay, that's what separates us from a traditional MLM, because we always get lobbed in right in the middle between other companies like Nu Skin, Herbalife, Amway. Okay, guys, we're not an MLM like that. We do not commission our products. We sell these wholesale, so you can resell them if you want, or just take them for cheap. Okay, you don't have to buy a darn thing to make a commission when you're an affiliate, and I'll explain why. And remember, any of these products here, you got 90 days, 3 months. That's the guarantee. No questions asked. You want your money back, just send it back to Jupiter, Florida, get full cash back. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Now, go to the FAQ section and see all these questions. Just click any one of them, and the answers pop up. Look at that. Shipping, products, pay plan, orders, membership, comp plan, account management. Okay? And then this is the easiest way to understand the comp plan. I tell everybody, don't read the pages The web page, it's a pain in the ass. All this stuff. Look, 50% of 1%, level 3, all this crap, 2.2 of 2.50. I mean, it's a pain in the ass. Go to the bottom of the page. And I tell LiveGood, please put this YouTube video at the top. Because see this YouTube video at the bottom? You're going to go to pay plan or affiliate pay plan link. Just click it, go to the bottom, and you're going to watch this YouTube video. This explains the comp plan 5,000 times easier than you having a friend try to explain it to you, me trying to explain it to you, or even having the web pages try to explain it. Just watch the video, guys. It's so easy. So how do I sign up almost 500 people? Guys, I'm telling you, just have them go to the pay plan. Have you, for example, go to the FAQ, and please go to the products tab. And I hope you do what I do. Just get yourself a fun little domain name. I prefer GoDaddy because you can talk to a live person. Get some business cards at Vistaprint and just keep things simple and fun. Okay? And if you join me, I'll show you the exact techniques on how I email properly that high five, totally acceptable through LiveGood, because you don't want to spam. You don't want to cold call or go knocking on people's doors, putting mailers in mailboxes. Guys, that's 1970. All right, that's 1980, 1990. That's even 2015. Right now, people are looking to get in shape and they want to earn money at home. Well, guess what? For $10 a month plus one-time $40 fee, you realize only two $20 bills, that's all you got to spend for life to be an affiliate with us. There's nothing left to spend. All right? Put your wallet away. Once you spend $49.95, you're going to have your first month paid for, and the $40 is one and done. You're an affiliate. You just have to pay $10, $9.95 a month to keep yourself as a member. You got to be totally 100% active member, all right, to be an affiliate. And buy those darn products. Use them. And if you don't like them, get your money back. Okay? But I don't know of a better opportunity that's affordable, kind of fun, where 2 million people in 2 years have signed up worldwide. 200 companies. Guys, that's insane. Okay? We're on par to have 5 to 10 million members, and they can only sign up if you're an affiliate like myself. Most people sign up and just use the products. They don't even really work hard as an affiliate. There's probably only 1,000 people worldwide that even take this serious. And that's just my opinion. Okay? Because I follow numbers. I see stats. I see who's signing people up and who's not, especially on the leaderboard. All right? There's no competition. All right? Dive in. LiveGood is darn near a household name at this point. Okay? There's advertising on Fox, on television, on radio stations. All right? Everybody's going to know about this company. But the sooner you sign up, you can get nicely positioned to where hopefully they just sign up underneath me, underneath you. Okay? And there's plenty of room, guys. So anyway, thanks for watching the last 12, 13 minutes, okay? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you sign up underneath me, I'm going to send you a nice email. I want you to copy exactly what I do. And if you have questions, you can always get a hold of me, Cory at CoryDraper.com, okay? There it is, guys, joincory.com, okay? All right, you guys have a good day. All right, peace and love. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.